Now we are taking one question. Find force acting on 2 microcoulomb charge placed in electric field of 100 Newton per coulomb. Force you have to find. Q naught is given. Q naught is the charge which is placed in electric field. So here 2 microcoulomb is placed in electric field. And the value of electric field is 100 Newton per coulomb. The formula which you can apply here, E is equal to F by Q naught. So F is equal to Q naught into E. Q naught is 2 into 10 power minus 6. E is 100. So it will be 2 into 10 to the power minus 4 Newton. One more question we are taking. Find electric field at distance 3 meter from point charge of 100 microcoulomb. You have to find electric field at distance of 3 meter from point charge of 100 microcoulomb. So now here you are given point charge 100 microcoulomb and you have to find the field at a distance 3 meter. So now to find the field here, the formula applied will be E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R square, because Q is given, the magnitude of that charge is given which is producing the field. In the previous question, charge which was placed in electric field was given, so that was taken Q naught, and here the charge which is producing the field, so that will be capital Q given, R given. This value I think you should be remembering, that is 9 into 10 to the power 9. Charge is 100 into 10 power minus 6, R square, 3 square. This 9 cancel out, so it will be 10 to the power 5 Newton per coulomb, and direction is away from charge. Now another question where you will having more than one field. Find electric field at point P in the given figure. This charge positive Q1 4 microcoulomb, this charge positive 2 microcoulomb, and you have to find the field over here. This distance is 1 meter, this distance is 1 meter. All are along the same line. You have to find the field at point P. Now Q1 will produce its field over here and Q2 will produce its field, and then you will take the vector sum of those two fields. Now field due to positive charge away from the charge, so E1 in this direction, away from the charge. Field due to this positive charge is also away, so E2 also in the same direction. E1 is right, E2 is right, and the value of E1 will be 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 upon R1 square, 9 into 10 power 9, 4 into 10 power minus 6, and R1 is distance from here to here, that is 2 square. 1 plus 1, 2 square. This cancel out. 9 into 10 to the power 3 Newton per coulomb. E2 when you will find 1 by 4 by epsilon naught Q2 upon R2 square. 9 into 10 power 9. Q2 is 2 into 10 power minus 6. And R2, this distance, 1 square. So this will be 18 into 10 to the power 3 Newton per coulomb. So you have calculated the value of E1, you have calculated value of E2. Both the field are in the same direction. So net field E1 plus E2. When two vectors are in same direction, you will take E1 plus E2. So E1 is 9, E2 is 18, 10 to the power 3 common, 27 into 10 to the power 3 or 2.7 into 10 power 4 Newton per coulomb. And direction is away from the charges. I think this is clear to you. Same way, if you have one positive and one negative, this is, let us suppose, positive, so E1 will be right. This is negative, E2 will be left. You will find E1 and E2, and then what you will do, you will subtract one value from the other. If E1, E2 you are getting perpendicular, then you will apply the Pythagoras. Let's take one more example. This Q1 10 microcoulomb, this Q2 minus 10 microcoulomb, and you have to find electric field somewhere here at point P. This is 3 meter, this is 4 meter, this is 5 meter. Q1 10, Q2 minus 10 microcoulomb. At P you have to find P. Again same way. First charge will produce field, and due to positive field is away from the charge. So E1 in this direction. And this is negative, so it will produce field towards E2. E1 value 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 upon R1 square, 9 into 10 to the power 9, Q1 10, and distance is 3 square. So this will be 10 to the power 4 Newton per coulomb. Find E2, field due to this charge. You will take the magnitude of charge, and this distance 4 square. This will be coming 9 upon 16 into 10 to the power 4 Newton per coulomb. Now when you will be finding the net field, now they are neither in the same direction nor they are opposite direction. They are actually perpendicular to each other. How? This is the triangle of side 3, 4, 5 meter. In triangle of side 3, 4, 5 meter, the angle opposite to 5 meter side is 90. So this is 90, this will also be 90. So net field, you will apply E1 square plus E2 square, and you will get the answer. You can solve it by your own and you will find the answer.